Hi everybody, so today in this video I'm going to be doing a little video on this brand right here. I've done a video on them before. It is Mysticum Luna. Now these are a local jewellery store to me. They are based in Sheffield and I've made an order from them before and I decided I was going to do it again. I'm wearing one of the pieces I ordered. It's this beautiful thick chunky chain and then around it it has got a serpent kind of wrapped around it. It's incredible. I'll put a picture of it here so you can have a better look at it. But yeah, I opened the box and was like, I need to wear this today, so I wore it today. I also ordered this ring. Let me show you this. So it's this ring. It's an absolutely gorgeous coffin, black coffin. They do these in a bunch of different sizes and colours. They do a green one which is absolutely beautiful as well. But there it is. It's gorgeous, completely goes with my style and I love it so much. Oh, I just love it. Not only that, but I did order some more of the little lucky bags. First time I placed this order it got lost in the post, which absolutely sucks for both me and the company. But they were really quick in sending the order out, like after the 14 days of like it not showing up, so that's really cool. And yeah, here's my I got five little bags of goodies. So I'm gonna open this one first. What do we got? We got a ring. Ooh, that's pretty. It's like one of the burning heart rings. Like a lot of people get these tattooed. What are they called? There's something or other hearts. And this is quite big. So it fits on that finger. So that's cool. I like that. That's nice. That's a thumbs up from me for that one. And we have another. I love the fact that you can get these. Oh my god. Oh my god. Remember how I was literally just saying that you can get this ring in green? I honestly can't believe this. I got the bangle version in my £2 little lucky bag thing. Guys, look at that. That is so nice. I think I need to stretch it a little bit more. But that is, oh my god, that's got to be worth a fair deal. Because this was £25, I think, or £20. I got it in the Black Friday sale. And this was the same, I think. And then, I don't know how much this is. I will have to look it up. But that's incredible. Okay, next one. I've already made my money back on these. That's insane. And they're items I actually want. Okay, what is this one? This is another ring. This is another one of those rings. So I'm gonna dupe, but I don't mind. This one possibly is bigger. This one is definitely bigger. That one fits me on that finger. Really nice. Really nice ring. So I now have that ring in 2 different sizes. Pretty cool. Then I have 2 left and they sound rattly. So I'm assuming they're like necklaces or bracelets or something. And I'm intrigued. Okay, we definitely done a necklace. Oh my goodness. Yes. Yes. I love. It is a pentagram necklace. Yes. I adore this. This is right up my alley. The chains on these as well are not the cheap tat that you can get sometimes. These are like nice thick stainless steel chains. That's beautiful. Oh my goodness. I am so happy with these. Okay, onto my final one. It's another necklace, I think. Oh, it's one of the spider necklaces. Okay, that's that one. That's awesome as well. And again, it's on the same really nice thick chain. That's really nice. And as I said, this is like a much thicker chain, a lot more heavy duty, but I love it. Look at that, it's eye-catching and everything. This is awesome. I need to see how much these things are worth, so bear with me. Okay, so the coffin bracelet is £25. I got this for £2 in the little lucky bag thing. That's insane. Next. Okay, so the pentacle necklace is £15. The spider necklace as well is £15, but it has a different clasp on this one to the one that's pictured, but I don't care. And then the ring so I can't find the rings on the website. I don't know if they just don't sell them anymore or if they're sold out or they were specifically made for this, but generally the rings on their website are about £15 to £20, which is a good buy anyway because they are very, very heavy duty, so to get something like this for £2 in a lucky bag is insane. And then, as I said, the other items that I bought were in these little cute Mysticum Luna little packages. Yeah, that is my little Mysticum Luna haul. I am so happy with these. Like, it's very weird that I was just literally talking that you could get a green version of this ring and then I got the green version as a bracelet. That is absolutely crazy. It's so nice. This is, with the items that I already bought, this is like my favourite thing. I love that. The green is beautiful. Yes. Anyway, that is it. Thank you so much to everybody for watching. Thank you to Mysticum Luna for sorting this out like as quickly as you did, considering it got lost and everything. But yes, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you all in the next one. Adios.